Hello guys, what's up sa inyo? Today is another day and another vlog. So for today's video guys, we're on our way to Scunthorpe. Basta dun, pupuntahan natin yung tropa natin sa nakatara sa Pilipinas. Tropa na natin yun. Yun, may liga kami. Pero bago natin umpisahan yung vlog na yun, may mga madami nangyari bago pa ang araw na to. Like my birthday and yung birthday ng girlfriend ko. That was 2 months ago. Pero unfortunately, due to me being really busy like college and work, hindi tayo nakapag-edit. So habang nasa bus tayo, feel ko this is the perfect timing to edit our vlog. So panoorin nyo muna yung mga kaganapan ng birthday ko and birthday ng girlfriend ko. I don't want to read it, I'll read it next time. I'm always emotional with letters.
How does it feel being
Scary.
21?
What's this? Ooh, this is a lot. Coach. What? Our wallet. I was planning to use the other one for forever. The most important one.
Yeah.
Hey.
My name. There's name on that bottle.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You got scammed. Oh. And then something I need. Thank you, ma.
Okay. Purple and 20.
How does it feel, ma? I'm 21.
You're big already.
Is it fast?
Nice now. Nice pistachio.
It doesn't taste pistachio.
What is it?
21.
This is my gift. Alam niyo lang yung pagod and luha. Always na snapit ko sa paghanap ng gift na to. Galing ako sa isang shop and then I had to go to the other branch. Tapos go to a different one again. And then lakad ng lakad. Ay, parang naikot ka na yung buong Central London para lang mahanap itong gift na to. And still, hindi ko pa rin nahanap yung gift. But of course, I don't want to come empty-handed for his murder. So, yeah, pinakita ko na this is the gift.
Here in Cho Asian, dito ko gagawin yung birthday ko. Really nice.
Baka mag-takeaway.
Ay, ng kanuan ni mama eh. This is the gift that Danica gave me.
What's that?
See, I told you.
What is it?
It's the Ray-Ban watch. Oh, I mean the glasses.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
Show it.
Look at the check's video with this one. Yeah.
How is it? Oh, I like that one. It's so hard to get it. Try.
Put this here. I got. Let's take one.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
So yun guys, yun lang naman na nangyari sa birthday ko. Quick update. Magpapalit tayo dito sa Nottingham. Papunta ng Scunthorpe. Yan. Kalimutan ko palang sabihin doon sa vlog ko na ito pala yung graduation ni Danica. Nangyari recently lang. 2 months ago din. And panoorin nyo din. Shoutout din pala sa nanay ko. Yan. Pinagbaon niya tayo ng sandwich. Yan. Ham and cheese sandwich. Thank you so much. I love you, ma. If you're watching this, I love you so much. Morning, guys. So, today is the day. Graduation ni Danica and konting outfit check muna tayo, guys. Ito yung suit natin. Meron tayong ganito. Hindi ko alam ang tawag dito. Napaka-formal natin eh, no? Tapos, ito yung gift ko sa kanya. Na binili ko kagabi, guys. Nasa labas ng balcony kasi. Ayaw ko sa loob ng, baka kasi mag-dry ng super. Kaya, Hello guys, what's up, what's up? So, we're finally here at the venue. Yan. Hintayin na lang natin yung mama ni Danica, si Danica. And dito, dala ko na yung flowers and yung gift ko sa kanya. So, nakakahiya mag-video-video dito kasi mamaya din ako makapag-video kasama ko na si Natita. And nakakaya. Ang laki ng ulo mo daw.
Maliit nga, naghanap sila ng maliit.
Kaya nga, malaki nga yung ulo mo.
Puro malalaki nandun.
Fix your hair at the front.
Baka mga ate. Sige, please. Ba't parang ang weird tignan sa akin?
Hello guys, we're here inside. Si Third, tapos si Natita nandun. Ang laki ng venue, grabe. Behind the scenes, na mga magagandang picture. Tingnan tayo, Third.
Danica, Kotasana, Rockpila.
Or, oh my god, it's the AirPods.
Hindi man.
Oh, yung AirPods to na gusto ko. Sabi ko na yung AirPods to. Oh, diba? Ayun. Oh, thank you. Dapat yung Ray-Ban may ito na lang.
Hello guys, what's up, what's up? Today is another day and another vlog. We're here at Selfridges. And the reason kung bakit malapit yung camera ko sa mukha ko is that ayaw natin mag-video ng mga iba-ibang tao. Kasi baka mapagalitan tayo. The reason why I'm here, kasi dito ko bibilhin yung regalo ni Danica. And maraming salamat kay Faye for giving me the idea. No? So, yun guys. Let's go. Guys, finally, I've already bought her the gift. It's this one. On to our next one. Maghanap naman tayo ng flowers and cakes. We pretty have much everything here. We have the rose, yung gift ko sa kanya, and yung cake. So nandito na din ako sa accommodation niya. And hopefully ma-surprise natin siya kasi nag-away din kami kahapon. Surprise! Happy birthday! Gift?
You.
Don't. Ito na lang cake yung hawakan mo. You have your cake. You wanna open it now? Huh?
Shit, I just woke up.
Wait. Lutas, hulaan mo ng ano ha, 2 beses. Ako na lang is something na kala mong hindi mo kailangan. Pero kailangan. Tapos something na you can wear. Yes.
Ginamit mo lang yung sinabi ko sa'yo.
Saan tayo? Prad natin.
Baby Westwood!
Anong guess mo?
Baby Westwood. You can just sense it. Oh! No! What the hell? What the hell? No! How do you know this brand? What the No shit! What the hell?
May resibo dun for warranty pero pabayaan mo na yung price. Just don't look at it.
What the hell? Oh my god!
Yeah.
What the hell? Oh my god!
Predicted ba?
Oh no! I would have never guessed.
You like it or no?
I like it.
So guys, we're here at Selfridges. I'm here for the second time. Explain kung anong gagawin natin dito.
Yes, photo boot as well. Because they have like a really cute photo boot here. Yung parang vintage na photo boot.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Pero kailangan i-dry nyo siya guys kasi
Ano pa siya, tignan mo?
super wet. It's the old school one.
mga reviews ng mga tao.
Hindi mo nakita to.
Sa TikTok. Na maging mayaman.
Natapos ka naman na mag-uni.
Yeah, but it's still ang hirap maghanap ng trabaho.
Guys, we're here at saan to? Nomad. We're here at Nomad sa Covent Garden and we're going to have our dinner here. And then later we're going on a bar. Doon kami doon kami iinom ng alak namin. Kasi ayaw ni Danica na mag-bar dito. And it's her birthday, so pagbigyan. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Your wish? Hello guys, what's up, what's up? So we're here at Soma. We're going to drink here. Ito yung menu nila guys. We're planning to have white wine. Maingay, kaya hindi ako makapag-video. Pero enjoy nyo na lang tong 6 seconds montage.